What's up, y'all? James here from Leadsicle, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your Google Business location, your Facebook and Instagram, your LinkedIn, and more. So once you guys are logged into the Leadsicle dashboard, let's go ahead and let me get my face out of the way. Go ahead all the way to the bottom and click on Settings. And then I want you guys to scroll down and click on Integrations. It's down here towards the bottom, and this will bring you to your integrations page. This is where you can easily connect all of your accounts to Leadsicle for unified inbox, whether you want to send and receive messages through your Facebook, your Instagram, all that kind of stuff, Google, through one dashboard. You can do all that here. And then you can also activate your Google business account so you can integrate your Google reviews, and you can do one-click Google review invites and all that kind of good stuff. So this is so super easy, guys. All you have to do is click these buttons and log in. So you're going to click the Google business button here, and you're going to log in with your Google business email. You're going to do the same thing with Facebook and Instagram. As you know, Facebook and Instagram are one and the same. They're the same company. So you will log in with your Facebook email. When you connect this one, all you got to do is connect it. It will pull up Facebook. All you have to do is log in there. Same thing if you want to do your LinkedIn. LinkedIn is down here. If you want to connect your TikTok, you guys can do that here. We can even connect your QuickBooks account. If you guys do all your accounting, your bookkeeping and whatnot through QuickBooks, you can connect it too. If you guys sell on Shopify, if you have a Shopify store, you can connect it too. There are a lot of different integrations that we can do. So this is where you do that, guys. Just log into your dashboard, go down to settings, click on integrations, and log into the ones that you want to connect to Leadsicle. And I will see you guys on the next video.